To another cooking of my beloved mom's delightful food recipes right here in her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you over the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all my 24 books, yes, 24, including Mom and Chef, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Noble, all bookstores near you, globally, worldwide, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. And that is my beautiful mom, right there in the front book cover of Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes. And if I could introduce my beloved mom to you a little bit, she is the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown and a top-notcher, as well as my beloved father. The only girl in her family, former beauty queen, and proposed and founded the only public high school where I, their daughter, yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez, speaking to you over the video, first taught as a middle school teacher and was unanimously elected Angus Teacher Association President, outstanding teacher, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor. My student writers and my school paper is in the top 10. First, second, and third along those lines, if I could mention, if you would please, humility aside. And my beloved father was a USA stenographer, typist for so many years. He is also a lawyer. My dad was called Attorney Gutierrez in the airport office where he worked as a stenographer, typist for so many years. My dad, before coming to America here in the USA where I am, was a municipal secretary of the mayor. And when he retired, he was twice time elected mayor as well, and approved the public school budget where my beloved mom founded, together with other government officials. And then I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the University of the East, where my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation studied. Thanks be to God, to our beloved parents who worked so hard to make something beautiful. And then all the way here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am a New York City school teacher for so many years. Teacher, trainer, outstanding teacher, 24 books author, and more in my 24 books, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And that's my beautiful mom standing in front of our kitchen when we were growing up. A new house, a gift from my beloved father. And so, come on, I'm going to take you now. I am going to get the baking pan. Let me stabilize my camera over here a little bit in our, let's see here, in our cherry bowl. And then our baking pan, I just brushed some butter so that our cake, Bibingka, we could also quickly flip it in our serving plate. And so I used organic butter. And then today, instead of using flour in our yogurt. I'm going to use yogurt, plain whole milk, probiotic, organic yogurt. Instead of flour, I'm using this. Mom used flour, and now for a twist, I am using yogurt like that, and then let's pour that in. Let me just and then summertime, we have lots of cherries, and so I'm going to put the cherries on. I remove the seeds as well, and so we put that in. And then I'm using 5 eggs, and so I'm putting the first one, and then the second one, and then the third one, and then the fourth one, and then the fifth one. And let me put this aside and wipe my hands. Next is I'm using honey blend, and this is almost finished, so I'm using them all. I have a new one, raw honey, and product of the United States, perfect. So I'm here in the USA where I am, and all of you, I greet you, my friends all over the world. We're all one human family. Isn't that wonderful? And then as we are pouring the honey, I'm going to start mixing our organic probiotic yogurt with cherry in our cherry bowl. Isn't it beautiful? And this is I think it's 2 pounds. So just so you know, so this might be 2 cakes or 3. And then I think I'm going to add another one. And let me put this aside. I'm using US grade product of the USA, raw honey, 100% raw honey. And then just perfect, isn't it? Honey is very, very nutritious for all of us. And so I'm going to continue to mix them all together, just like so. This is going to be a very temptingly delicious yogurt cheese cherry cake in the Tagalog language. We call this Bibingka. Now, I'm going to start pouring that in our baking pan mold that I brushed with butter so that we could easily take them out and flip it over. And let's see here, I'm going to use my ladle to scoop that in one by one. And another one. And then we're going to bake this in 350 degrees oven for 30 minutes. And then cool it down. And then see you in the next video. We're going to enjoy this all together. And let me just wipe the sides. And now I'm going to take you to our mini oven, and then I'm going to set this for 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And that's it. Easy does it, isn't it? Yogurt cheesecake Bibingka with yogurt, of course, and honey, product of the United States, US grade honey, and then cherries, and then of course the eggs. Let me get one from my fridge right here, so you know the complete ingredients for our yogurt cheese bibingka. Oh my goodness, this is starting to smell so good. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSCD, MSCD, and all my 24 books, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Now, we are going to enjoy this all together. I think I will have 2 cakes today, or 2.5. And as we are waiting for our probiotic cheesecake, cherry cheesecake bibingka to bake, and then we chill it, and then we enjoy it, I would like to invite you to have a 10% discount using my name, Juanita, if you would like to order all fresh seafood, steaks, and more at www.allfreshseafood.com, or you could call over the phone 1-833-GOT-CRAB here in New York City, New York, USA, 4 a.m. And you could use Juanita as your coupon code and you get a 10% discount. Thank you for all your support. And they have a lot of seafoods, wild caught, and steaks grass fed. And my beloved parents used to own a boat, a fishing boat, named after Saint Anthony. And Saint Anthony helped my wonderful parents when they were newlyweds. Let me show you the book right here. Missing People, Animals, Things Go to Anthony. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, and available worldwide as well. And my mom is a devotee of Ascended Master Anthony, and Ascended Master Anthony had a beautiful miracle for mom and dad when they were newlyweds. Thank you, Ascended Master Anthony. And this my book, along with Mom and Chef, Nanay, Nene, Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes, and Tree as well, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And our cake, Bibingka, yogurt cheesecake, cherry cheesecake Bibingka, is baking and ready for us to enjoy later after 30 minutes at 350 degrees oven. We are going to chill it, and then we're going to enjoy this. Isn't that beautiful? I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude to our greater source in our own heartbeats, my beloved mom and dad, my brothers and sisters and their own families, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart, so that you could be updated in all my videos, and we could grow together. And Namaste, Namaste, that means I honor the God in me and you and all of us. Thank you for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. That's what my mom always tells us. Love one another, because you have one parent and one God. Indeed. Happy cooking. Happy baking. Cheesecake. Yum. We call cake Bibingka, and usually it's cooked with the fire on top, made of coconut husks, and under is some firewoods, and then it's composed of flour. But now we are using probiotic yogurt, whole milk, plain, with cherries, and I'm gonna add in natural sliced almonds later after it has baked and chilled. Happy baking! See you in the next video. Yeah. Enjoy.